This will be my new LiveScope setup for my bass boat. Let's check this thing out. And all it is a 12-volt battery. This guy, E-Milo RF remote control. This is what it looks like. It comes with 2 remotes. I picked it up on Amazon. This guy is actually the troll motor shaft from an old Terova, first generation series Terova. All I did was cut the troll motor head off and then kept the steering motor and the base, spray painted it black. And of course, even if the motor doesn't work, I can still use it manually. So, but if I drop it in place, as you saw in the beginning, I can still use it with the motor, so the steering motor. So this will be coming this year pretty soon. I'll be putting it on the Blue Bullet. Yes, sir.